Abe, what now?
Alrighty guys, how is everyone? Hopefully everyone's all good and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be looking at a horror short film named The Thing That Ate the Birds. And let's get right into it guys, I'm really excited. Let's see how this goes. This should be exciting. Got a... Nice timing. Nicely shot. Waking up. Oh, fuck that. Waking up on the couch as well. Looks like a regular drinker, probably. Problems with the missus.
Abe! 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 There's more!
Well, more dead bodies. Oh my days. Shit. Oh my god. Oh.
It's killing for kicks.
Killing for kicks.
Think it's a fox? Maybe a stout? How many's that now?
Too many.
Something killing for the kicks.
I hate the run up to the 12th. Yeah. Oh, I'm banging my head against a brick wall, to be honest. Which is more than could be said for him. You know what he's like. He'll never change. It is what it is. Yeah. Maybe next time. Yeah. I can't make any promises. Okay. I'm gonna go.
Some good shots so far, yeah, not bad. Looking good. Like the way the...
Everything alright, boss?
What?
Just seem a little, you know...
Stop sniffing around with that.
Oh, found some blood.
Abe. Abe, what now?
Oh my lord. Jesus.
Don't do it.
Beautiful shots. The editing is on point.
Don't.
Damn.
Stay here.
Oh my days, you fucked up. Oh. Bro, that was a fucking madness. You damn right you fucking throw up? Oh my days. Shit. He's in deep dog shit now. Whatever that thing you killed, oh my days. That looks like Gollum.
It's late.
I know.
Are you drunk?
No. What happened?
You did.
I said you did, you know. You drunk. Mad.
Peel the potatoes.
She's there getting frustrated that he's drinking. Like, you better peel some potatoes, bro. Don't want to see you drunk. Keep you busy so you don't drink like a motherfucker. Oh my mythical days, bro. What are you doing?
Show me.
It's fine.
Give it here.
It's fine.
Mad child, this. This guy.
I can't do this
I
anymore.
bet.
Do what?
You know what I mean.
What?
Even Jake says you're worse than usual.
Damn.
You been spying on me, Grace?
As if I had the inclination.
Spying on me.
Do you want me to yell at you?
That would help.
Is that what it is? Will you look at me? You bloody Neolithic! Will you look at me?
Stop it!
Do you want me to leave, Abe? Do you want me to pack my things and leave? Because I am that close.
No. That's not what I want.
Then what? I can't live like this.
What the fuck?
It's just the car, man.
Stay here.
What's that for?
Stay inside.
What's going on?
Trust me. Just stay inside.
Damn. Shit's about to get real. Oh, you fucked up, bro. Damn. This is not good. It's luring you out more and more. Oh, fuck. What? Oh my day. The fuck? Sound like something got her, bro.
Grace.
not good, man. Oh my days. Shit. Oh my days. Holy shit. Oh my days, that is a madness. Oh my lord. Oh my days, now his head's all gone, guts out. Oh my days. Shit. His hands are probably gone, feet too, probably. Damn. That was beautifully done, I must admit. Alta, they're doing very good content, and yeah, we're definitely gonna be reacting to more of these guys' content. And bro, I'm not gonna lie, that was kind of sick. Still, I really did enjoy that. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that too. Please smash like if you did. Please consider subscribing if you're new. And yeah guys, if you want to be like catching on to any gaming live streams, any reactions, and pretty much trying to cover all sorts of types of content on the channel, please comment down below on whatever your thoughts are on the video and whatever else you want to be seeing. And yeah guys, have a fantastic day, and I'll be catching you all on the next one. You absolute legends.